This is Anna Maria with CorporateProfile.com reporting from Wall Street on Rexahn Pharmaceuticals, ticker RNN on the New York Stock Exchange. Rexahn develops and commercializes best-in-class cancer therapies. Rexahn just announced the publication of preclinical data for its drug RX-3117, demonstrating effectiveness against cancer cells that are resistant to gemcitabine, a widely used chemotherapy drug. The peer-reviewed medical journal Anticancer Research published the article titled "A Novel Cytidine Analog, RX-3117, Shows Potent Efficacy in Xenograft Models, even in tumors that are resistant to gemcitabine." In this study, the efficacy of orally administered RX-3117 was examined in 9 different human tumor xenograft models that had differing degrees of resistance to gemcitabine. In the 4 models that had the highest resistance to gemcitabine, treatment with RX-3117 resulted in tumor growth inhibition of between 62% to 100%. This compares to just 0 to 30% for tumors treated with gemcitabine. RX-3117 was also evaluated in an animal model that used actual biopsy samples from human pancreatic cancer patients with known resistance to gemcitabine. In this study, RX-3117 produced a 76% inhibition of tumor growth, as compared to just 38% when treated with gemcitabine. The fact that RX-3117 was active against cells partially resistant to gemcitabine makes these results very promising for future drug development efforts, which may be of great benefit to many cancer patients. Resistance to the anti-cancer effects of gemcitabine represents a major clinical issue in the treatment of cancer patients. Up to 40% of cancer patients receiving 1 or more cycles of gemcitabine rapidly become resistant to its anti-cancer activity. RX-3117 is in a Phase 1b clinical trial in cancer patients. The trial is expected to be completed early this year. Again, I'm Anna Maria reporting from Wall Street on Rexahn Pharmaceuticals. Ticker RNN on the New York Stock Exchange. It's definitely a buy.